In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to walk through how to submit an appointment request and complete the required e-signature from opening the form to finishing the signing process. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to look for, and how to avoid common hiccups. First, open the appointment request form in your browser. If you have a link handy, use that and let it load fully before you start. If the page takes a moment, give it a second. A stable connection helps prevent errors later. For the smoothest experience, keep the tab open until you've finished and avoid using the back button on your browser. Next, answer the form. Fill out your contact information and any details the form asks for, such as your preferred appointment date and time, the reason for the appointment, and any notes that will help the team prepare. Required fields are typically marked, so make sure you complete those. Use your legal name if a signature is expected later, and double check your email and phone number so confirmations reach you. If there's a date picker or time selector, confirm the correct time zone, especially if you're booking across regions. If the form includes optional fields for context, a brief, clear description can speed up processing. Some Jotform forms auto-save as you go, but it's still a good idea to review everything before you submit. When you're confident your answers are complete and accurate, click Submit. If the form highlights an error, scroll to that field, make the correction, and submit again. While it's submitting, don't refresh the page. You should see a confirmation screen once the form is accepted, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. On the confirmation screen, click Continue. This moves you into the document signing flow. The Continue button can appear near the center or lower part of the page, so scroll if you don't see it right away. Finally, click Sign Document. The signing window will open with the agreement or authorization tied to your appointment. Follow the prompts to complete required fields, such as your name, initials, and signature. You can usually draw your signature, type it, and choose a style, or use a saved signature if you've created one before. Make sure the name on the document matches what you entered on the form, and verify the date is correct. Once all required fields are filled, finalize by selecting the button to submit or finish the document. After signing, you'll typically see a confirmation and may have the option to download or email yourself a copy for your records. And that's it. Your appointment request and signature are complete.